Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to go incognito mode on Google Chrome. The way to use Google Chrome incognito mode on a PC or phone is the same. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. On the top right of the screen, click the three dots icon and then click New Incognito window. You can use the shortcut Shift-Control-N on a Windows PC or Shift-Command-N on a Mac. For phone, you can open Google Chrome, go to three-dot icon, and then select New Incognito tab. To learn more about incognito mode, you can read this information. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.